We were at my daughter's softball tournament. All the parents were already situated. I decided I would be the one that could go out to the Dollar General and picked up drinks for everybody. I was on my way back. A bigger truck on my left side, kind of blindsiding everything that was coming towards me. I saw him slam on his brakes and I was hit head on by a drunk driver. I remember rolling all the way over until I was inside the ditch. I was not able to pull myself out. There was fire coming from the front of the car. I was trapped. Luckily enough, we were right in the middle of a main intersection with all these people around. They had to cut me out of it with the jaws of life. It took about an hour and a half to 2 hours. There was just all kinds of pain, all kinds of fear and worry the whole time, wondering about what's going on with my kids, what's going on with my wife, what's going to happen to me. They ended up pulling me over to a parking lot where the helicopter could come down. They life flighted me over to the nearest trauma center. I dislocated my knee, broke my femur and my tibia, tore my ACL, PCL, MCL. They put an external fixator there in my leg. And once we kind of finally got our wits about us, we found Hal Law.
I was contacted by a man who had just been life flighted to the hospital after being involved in a really bad car accident. He had been referred to our firm because of our expertise in handling these types of cases. And from talking to him, I just knew that he really wanted to see me in person, to give him some guidance in that immediate aftermath of this very traumatic event that had taken place in his life, and really to answer all the questions that he and his family had. They had so many questions, and like a lot of other people, they just simply weren't prepared for this. 1 minute they're living their life, and in an instant their life changes.
Richard actually took the time to come and see us at the trauma center, which was about an hour and a half or so away. We sat and talked with him, and from that point on, we just stayed in great communication. He gave us his cell phone number, so whenever we needed anything immediately, we could call, we could text. He was very, very responsive. The whole team here at Hal Law has been extremely responsive, above and beyond with all the experience and everything that they've put into what I've been dealing with.
Our vast track record of success and the thousands of cases that we've handled since 1985 is second to none. It's important to look at what a law firm can bring to a case. Do they have the team of investigators and case managers and lawyers that can provide the answers to every single question?
With everything that I've gone through and that my family has been through, I'd feel safe and secure knowing that I still have Richard's cell phone number and somebody that I trust to call. We are just so appreciative for Mr. Howe and all of his associates.
We don't just handle personal injury cases. We form relationships with our clients that last, not only during that case, but last forever. And they know that we're always here in their corner to provide guidance for them whenever they're needed. And that's our mission in every case, and that's what we take pride in.